In English, we might say, they believe in Santa Claus. Well, in ASL, we can go like this. Let's talk about how to sign they believe Santa Claus. Here's the sign for they. All right, use your index finger of your dominant hand, just arc in the direction of whatever group of people you're talking about. They. If they're sitting over there, they. If they're not here, just do it off to the side, they. Okay? Believe. Here's the sign for believe. All right, the first part, use your index finger, dominant hand. Just go like this at the side of your head, like think. And then we're going to come down and kind of clap, but clasp your hands. All right, the hand shapes down here like this. So all together we have believe. All right, like you're thinking and then you're holding on to that way of thinking because you believe it, it's your belief. From the side, believe. Other side, believe. Front again. Okay. Santa Claus. Here's the sign for Santa Claus. Okay, so we have that beard thing, right? Santa Claus, big wavy flowing beard. We're going to use C hand shapes, okay? Now we're going to take the tips and we're going to put them first here at the side of our mouth, right? 1, 2. And now we're just going to come down and like make an imaginary beard. Santa Claus. From the side. Other side. Front again. Santa Claus. Okay, I have seen a few different versions of this sign. First one is to use these kind of claw hand shapes and start similar position as before and then just go like that, like a big fluffy beard. With these hand shapes. Santa Claus. I've also seen it done with one hand with the C hand shape, starting like here and then just going down. Santa Claus. To be consistent throughout this course, I will be using the double C hand shape, starting here and then going like this for the beard. All right, so we have Santa Claus. Okay, so let's sign everything. Let's put it all together. They believe Santa Claus. All right, sign with me. They believe Santa Claus. All right, let's speed up. All right, let's change the pronoun. How about we do she, and she is over there, okay? So let's do it. She believes Santa Claus. Okay. All right, in this lesson, we talked about how to sign they believe Santa Claus.